In this video, I'm going to talk about reading health questions, and I want to say I get this type of question every so often. I'm not in particular like a medical intuitive. However, you could still create a rose, right? And then just see how the rose shows up. Now, when you do these kinds of readings, one thing that you want to keep in mind, and when you're reading for a client, is you want to tell them, hey, I'm just going to look at the energy of it all. And full disclaimer, this is not medical advice. Definitely see a medical doctor, get treatment if necessary, right? But all I'm doing is just looking at the energy of it all. And normally the clients are like, yeah, okay, I get it, all right? So when it comes to reading health, literally you're just going to do the same thing we've been doing, right? So I've had a client one time ask me, I think I have cancer, right? I'm like, oh crap. What a heavy duty reading, right? And so I created the rose, right? And I just told her what I saw. And, in my own world, right? I was like, gosh, I hope I don't give a misdiagnosis or anything like that, right? Because that's like a serious topic. But literally, you just create the rose, whatever you see, stay neutral, right? And so I want to say that health readings, all right, are one of the more difficult readings to do. And yet, when it comes to cancer, right, stuff like cancer, right, you could just tell them what you see. And I find that a lot of times, by the time you give the report of what you see, in my experience, a lot of these clients are like, yeah, I already knew that. I suspected that, right? So you're just kind of giving them validation, all right? So anyway, when you do a health reading, again, just kind of give them all the disclaimer, go see a medical doctor, and I'm just going to take a look at the energy of it for you, all right? You're not giving a diagnosis. Don't give medical advice, right? Don't give them diet advice or none of that. Just tell them what you see, and that's it, okay? All right, so in the next video, I'm going to lead you through how to read a health question.